Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing and showcasing FNIRSI's SAG 55, a premium intelligent 550 watt hot air gun that you can pick up for an incredibly great price. This thing is an absolute game changer. It heats up amazingly fast and is the perfect tool for desoldering and heat shrink tubing. Inside the box is the main unit connected to a power adapter, a magnetic metal stand, power cord, nozzle and a user manual. The main product parameters are all written on the box. Not to mention, the unit comes with lots of smart features that you'll love. Let's go ahead and unbox the cardboard package to see what's inside. Upon opening the box, we are greeted with a neatly packaged electronic unit. After removing the wrapping, we find the FNIRSI SAG 55 hot air gun. Thanks to the ergonomic handle that ensures compact grip, with its compact, portable design, SAG 55 is well suited for both professional and DIY users. Included in the box is a nozzle that covers most everyday electronic tasks. You also have the option to choose between EU or US plug. Since I'm based in Australia, I had to use a spare plug from my cable collection. One of the standout feature for me is the metal stand. It incorporates a magnetic sensor that pairs up with the handle, automatically activating standby or cooling mode when the gun is placed in the stand. The stand also includes holders for up to 3 nozzles and functions as a nozzle removal station. Lastly, there's a user manual for reference. However, the unit is so straightforward to use that I honestly never needed to consult it. The intelligent stand crafted with a durable aluminum alloy is a total game changer. It features heat-resistant silicone insulation to protect against high temperature. You can place the heat gun in either slanted or upright position on the stand. On the side, there are designated holes for storing air nozzles, making the stand incredibly convenient and a true all-in-one solution. When it's time to remove a hot nozzle, simply use the back of the stand to pull it safely off the heat gun. Now, let's power up the unit. The large button on the heat gun lights up in blue when switched on. To activate the gun, press and hold the middle button for approximately 3 seconds. Once it's on, you can press any button to wake it up from sleep. This intelligent hot air gun heats up at lightning speed. The LCD display and the LED indicator clearly shows the current working status and temperature changes in real time. Using the left and right buttons, you can easily increase or decrease the temperature between 100 to 450 degrees. The unit also features 3 programmable presets for quick access to preferred temperature and wind speed settings. Its fast cooling function helps accelerate cool down, further extending the lifespan of the heating element. Double-click the middle button to access the menu interface. There you can customize settings such as auto off timer, temperature unit, display language, temperature increment steps, standby temperature, screen brightness and more. With real-time monitoring from multiple sensors, this device automatically cuts off heating in the event of any abnormalities, ensuring safe and reliable operation at all times. The brushless fan offers adjustable wind speed ranging from level 1 to 20, ensuring quiet operation, long-term reliability, and adaptability across various working environments. This item is built to last. With the right handling, it will serve you well for years to come. For added peace of mind, it includes a 30 days return and refund guarantee when you purchase it directly from FNIRSI.com. To turn the unit off, simply long press the middle button. The stand is designed with a magnetic sensor integrated into the handle, which automatically activates standby and cooling modes. When the handle is placed in the holder, the system begins cooling down until it reaches the standby temperature. Then it enters the standby mode. If auto shutdown is enabled, the unit will power off completely after the preset time has elapsed. When the handle is picked up, the system returns to the main interface and resumes heating operation, making it incredibly convenient for tracking all kinds of projects. The FNIRSI Smart Soldering Iron can be purchased through their official website or via AliExpress. Both links are provided in the description below. When ordering, you have the option to select a kit that best suits your needs, ranging from a simple basic metal stand to a smart sleep stand, with the choice to include a US or EU power adapter. For this review, I went with the metal smart sleep stand option. Here are the main product specifications displayed on screen. The unit offers fast heating, PID control for stable temperature regulation, 20-level adjustable air volume, magnetic cooling activation, a 1.5-inch colored LCD, a durable brushless fan, and more. For a complete list of specifications and features, be sure to visit the official website. Alright, let's now take a closer look at the unit in action. First, I'll desolder and then solder an SMD component onto a PCB. As you can see, the unit performs remarkably well, making it easy to handle both tasks with precision. Next, let's use it to heat shrink a tube and secure a wire joint. In the past, I have relied on an open flame for heat shrinking, but with SAG 55, the process is much smoother, and there is no risk of accidentally burning nearby components on the board. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it helps you. If you want to support me, you can subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks. See you again in my next video. Bye now.